السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أكن جدا نجاك بدني كراكنا نسبة قولت رفني أرأكن الرجل هريرة قديش مقالة يونايتد كينغدم مقالة يونايتد كينغدم مقالة أوروبا كيسا يسي قدو تاتي أمني باي قدارا أكسو هريرة سريتي قداتا إنكا والقبتي ديمور أكاناس يرو دربي مانشستر تدين سيفني توري أرأمو مقالة قديتي لندن مقالة قديتي يونايتد كينغدم لندن بكاجر أم توتي كان أدين جزا جرو so where is here yeah so ummatni amma jita kartangu hiriira kanaaf deemaa jiranii jechuudha hiriirri kun baay'ee guddaa garuu saffisa ummataa hoogganuu hin dandeenye hordofuu hin dandeenye ummanni akka malee saffisaan deema ani hin beeku maaliifi magaalaan London akkana fakkaatti magaalaan London akkana fakkaatti asis magaalaa isin agarsiisaa haga danda'ametti namoota isin agarsiisaa deema magaalaas waliin ilaalaa deemna well ulama poolisoota karaa nu agarsiisanii jechuudha poolisoonni kunniin poolisoota karaa nu agarsiisan magaalaan London akkana jirti basically wal magaalatti magaalaan London akkana jirti jechuudha magaalaan London akkana jirti nama sodaachisaa boo kun wayita nama bira taruu kun xinniqaan rrr jedhee jechuudha well kaasitti agartan kun ummata hiriiraaf ba'eedha baay'ee guddaa namtichi alaabaa nama asitti agartan kun alaabaa maalidha yisi biyya san Tigraay Eertiraa I don't know Tigraay natti fakkaate alaabaa Tigraay well ummanni kun hundi isaaniitti iyyuu ummata hiriiraaf dhufanii okay most of by the way COVID-19 amma yeroo ammaa kana abii ta'aa jira jechuudha COVID-19 yeroo ammaa kana abii ta'aa jira cameraman over here wal lolaa jiranii namni baay'ee akka baay'ee ariifataadha akka baay'ee deemaadha kana fakkaataa jechuudha ummatni kun London magaalaan kun London anama maaliif kaamera fuuldura deemee kaasaa baay'ee guddaadha ummanni baay'ee guddaadha ummanni akkaan guddaadha deebii ammoo jidduu seenee kaameraa kaasuu hin dandeenye kaameraa jidduu seenee fudhachuu hin dandeenye ummanni akka malee guddaadha deebii ammoo akka malee fuuldura wanna jedhaa jiranii sabbitni uummataa humna ol ta'u jechuudha uummata karaarraa buusaa jiran natti fakkaate London akkana jirti you see that scale of like scale my shop wow kunamma poolisoota agarta so crowded here is England London so crowded the way however just they ask permission to walk on the street and the government allow them to walk on the street and show off to the people who following the demonstration. The demonstration is so spread, and a lot of people like watching, walking, like participating by a lot of people, and some different people is come from other state, I think, like Tigray, whatever it is. Yeah. The crowd is as well. The crowd is incredible. The crowd is so incredible as you see this in London. So, yeah, it's so incredible. You know that this is the car which the main or which making the people show the way. So it is too like some people they come from the different ways enjoy us. Still the people come through the way. namoonni haga ammaatitti dhufaa jiranii baay'ee guddaadha. It take a lot of time. It take a lot of time and it take a lot of time to take the picture. Even you can see the Tigrayan people which are wearing their own shirt and which brought up with them their own shirt. This is Tigrayan. Yeah, this is Tigray. This is Tigray. Yeah, this is Tigray flag. And I took a picture, but I can't. Yeah, I think I took him, this guy, and this flag. This was different size. This is the drive one. This is the police one, and this our friend is Kuni Magala United Kingdom, UK da. Polisoonni kun marsaniitiin hin deemanii. Kuni polisoota. I thank us United Kingdom. They give for us different policies, which show us the way and follow us. A lot of things. Look, these all people. It's so fun, The people they get scared, and the people they get like, what happened? And I think they did see like some different kinds of people, which by color and by like type and by like their life, a lot of things. And this is United Kingdom, however, it's so busy. Nasodaachise mucaan kun nasodaachise la. Well, you see, as you see, this is United Kingdom. Well. You can see this. 1 way, 2 way, 3 way, 4 way. Now this 4 way is the main road. You can see how it's so far. It say thank you. Let me show you what is the writing say. They scare me. Thank you for what? Our heroes. Yeah, okay, well, that's fine. Yeah, true. Huh? Yeah. What did you say? Oh yeah. But take it that one. That one is clear. Yeah. Which one? This one you mean? Yeah. You can take it already. I took it. Was. Where are we gonna go then? Which way are we gonna go? This way. It's crowded, so crowded, and they got confused. Well, it's crowded. I'm telling you, it's crowded. Don't listen to me. Look, these old people. So much people, 70%. Why 70%? It's the people is like nervous. People is too nervous. People too nervous. I scared maybe they are like fights. But it's not that kind of fight. However, the people is too nervous and what they have and what is going on, and they should have to listen to each other. I think. Yeah, it is. It's kind of should be. Because the people know that like the government of Ethiopia back home is arrested that the leader of the people Their name is like Bakala Garba, Jawar Muhammad, Hamza Borana, Lencho, Lami Benya, and the other of political prisoners, the other of political people, which like leaders of the people, leaders of the countries, they arrested so as the people become hungry and come for demonstration. So this is something very, very, very mysterious. Okay. I seen like I'm telling you here's something happen over here. The people just they sit down or they want to sleep, they sit down or the patient or that they want to take a break or I don't know whatever it is. However, like I want to
we demand justice. We demand freedom. Justice for our Kanu.
look, these all people just they sit down like some kind of bag or something. It is incredible, so very, very busy city, very busy town, very busy. Everything is crowded over London. However, just thanks the United Kingdom, they give for us time to like do different things for us. Wow. Yeah, they are talking about like no. Now I think we have to move from this area. I'm gonna show you a lot of things in front of me too. This one is the big. I'm gonna show you like this one is very big. This one is very big. Look how the way is crowded. Look how the way is busy. Look, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. You cannot see the end of this one. Yes. You cannot see the end of this one. Alright. Namni kajaba machahe jira. No, I'm not taking. Look, I'm gonna make it what about the editing and the cutting.
No. Remove it. No.
I'll show you now. I will show you. Selamat. Menduga duga umat hati, saya juga namun tengah ijrani. Ini Zakila. Kun barreeffama qeerroon Yuunaayitid Kingdom qabattee baateedha. Barreeffama baay'ee nama ajaa'ibu hundi isaatti garaagarummaa qaba.
Kill some people in Ethiopia. Kill some people in Ethiopia. Kill some people in Ethiopia. Abiy Ahmed. Abiy Ahmed. Abiy Ahmed. Abiy Ahmed. Kill 3,000. Kill 3,000 in Ethiopia. 3,000 in Ethiopia. Kill 3,000 in Ethiopia. Who is coming? Who is coming? Abiy. Who is coming? Abiy Ahmed. Who is coming? Abiy. Who is coming? Abiy. Who is coming? Nothing. Abiy Ahmed. Who is coming? Nothing in Ethiopia. Who is COVID-19 in Ethiopia? Abiy Ahmed. Who is COVID-19 in Ethiopia? Ethiopia Prime Minister.
Prime Minister.
UK government. UK government. Stop supporting. The killer. Is a killer. We need democracy. We need justice. We need freedom. We need democracy. Free Jawar Mohammed. Free Bakala Garba. Free Hamza Borana. Free Hamza Borana. UK government. Stop supporting. The killer. In Ethiopia. We need democracy. We need justice. We need peace. We need democracy. Justice for Hajalu. Abiy Ahmed must to go. Ethiopian Prime Minister must to go. Ethiopian Prime Minister must to go. Ethiopian Prime Minister is a killer. He's a dictator. We need democracy. We need justice. We need freedom. Justice for Hajalu. Down Abiy. Down Bisigina. Ethiopian government is a killer. He's a killer. Down Abiy. Down Bisigina. Free Jawar Mohammed. Free Bakala Garba. Free Hamza Borana. Free Shamsuddin Taha. Free Bakala Garba. UK government. UK government. Stop supporting the dictator. The dictator in Ethiopia. UK government. UK government. Stop supporting Ethiopian government. Ethiopian government. Ethiopian government. He's a killer. He's a killer. Ethiopian government. He's a raping woman. He's a raping woman. Ethiopian government. He's a killing children. He's a killing children. We need democracy. We need freedom. Free Jawar Muhammad. Justice for Hajalu. Justice for Hajalu Desa. Justice for Hajalu. Justice for Hajalu. UK government. Stop supporting Ethiopian government. Ethiopian government is a killer. Is a dictator.
Ethiopian government is a kill woman. Is a kill woman. Ethiopian government is a dictator. Is a dictator.
Dictator.
Abiy Ahmed must go.
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 Abiy Ahmed kill woman.
Abiy Ahmed kill woman.
Abiy Ahmed kill woman.
Abiy Ahmed kill woman.
People is struggling.
Oromo people is struggling.
UK government.
UK government.
UK government.
UK government.
Don't be silent.
Don't be silent.
Don't be silent.
Don't be silent.
Oromo people is struggling in Ethiopia.
Oromo people is struggling in Ethiopia.
Oromo people is struggling in Ethiopia.
Abiy must go.
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 Abiy is a killer.
Abiy is a killer.
Abiy is a killer.
Abiy is a killer.
Abiy is a dictator.
Abiy is a dictator.
Abiy is a dictator.
Abiy is a dictator.
Abiy is a kill woman.
Abiy is the king woman.
Abiy is a kill children.
Abiy is the king
We
children.
need freedom.
Freedom.
We need freedom.
We need freedom.
We need justice.
We need justice.
We need justice.
We need justice.
We need peace.
We need peace.
We need peace.
We need peace.
UK government.
UK government.
UK government.
UK government.
Don't be silent.
Don't be silent.
Don't be silent.
Don't be silent.
Ethiopian government.
Ethiopian government.
Killer.
Is a killer.
Ethiopian government.
Ethiopian government.
Dictator.
Is a dictator.
Ethiopian government.
Ethiopian government.
Kill children.
Kill children.
Ethiopian government.
Ethiopian government.
Kill women.
Kill women.
We need justice.
We need justice.
We need justice.
We need justice.
We need freedom.
We need freedom.
We need freedom.
We need freedom.
We need peace.
We need peace.
We need peace.
We need peace.
Justice for Hajalu.
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 We need freedom.
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 UK government.
UK government.
Don't be silent.
Don't be silent.
Don't be silent.
Don't be silent.
Abiy Ahmed.
Abiy Ahmed.
Abiy
Abiy
Ahmed.
Ahmed.
Kill woman.
Kill woman.
Kill woman.
Kill woman.
UK government.
UK government.
Don't be silent.
Don't be silent.
Don't be silent.
Don't be silent.
UK government.
UK government.
We need justice.
We need justice.
We need justice.
We need justice.
No, no, no. Oromo life matter.
Oromo life matter.
Oromo life matter.
Oromo